Hey friend, do you want to make money online? Are you looking for a proven system that will help you do it even if you are a beginner? And maybe you heard of Profits Passport, David Dekels' new program? Well, hey, in this exciting episode today, we are going to do a Profits Passport review. As a matter of fact, what you're going to learn is who is the creator of this program? Well, you know it's David Dekels, but is he legit, right? What exactly is a Profits Passport? Who is this exactly for? Should you even be wasting your time getting involved? How much do you need to invest to get access? Are there any upsells? We'll go through a back office tour of all the programs. We're going to go through pros and cons of this program as I see it, and I'm even going to share with you something that I'm thinking of giving away that is going to be pretty huge, but I haven't decided on it yet. And then we'll give you my final rating on whether or not this is a proven program to help you make, yes, up to $16,000 in like affiliate commissions, even if you're a beginner. All right, so hey, if you're new to this channel, my name is Chris, and this channel is all about empowering you, the home business entrepreneur, with the mindset and the skill sets to get results, make money, and drive breakthroughs. All right, if you like content like that, reviews like this, then hey, definitely give the video a like, consider subscribing to the channel, and go ahead and smash that bell too, because you'll be notified whenever I drop new videos, which is pretty much regularly right now. Okay, let's get to it. This is the Profits Passport review. All right, David Dekels' new program. Is it legit? Let's get right down into it. We're gonna go through a whole bunch of stuff. I'm gonna move fast, so get ready. All right, so who is the creator? Well, it's a gentleman by the name of David Dekels. Now here's the thing, David Dekels is actually very legit. Okay, this man has has made like several funnels over and made huge money online with systems. That's what he's really good at, is creating these systems that tag on a bunch of programs together so that a beginner such as yourself can leverage a ton of different programs without all the technical difficulties that come with it. Most recently, he had a program called Funnel X ROI that I got involved with sometime last year, and I really didn't know too much about it. But let me tell you, like, I can tell you for a fact that I actually made some money with it, and that's because these are some of the commissions that I made with that program. So we're gonna go into more detail with it, but yeah, he is legit. Now, who is Profits Passport for? It's for anyone who wants to make money online from home or anywhere in the world for that matter, right? That's the beauty about it. If you're a home business entrepreneur searching for the perfect lifestyle business, okay, you're looking for something that doesn't require a whole bunch of your effort and it's very simple to get started with, right? Beginners are looking for their first online commissions. Oh my goodness, I'm telling you, those first $500 I just showed you was some of the first money I'd made online, at least consistently, in a well thought out system. If you're a work from home person, or maybe you're a part-timer still working full-time, trying to get into the online game, trying to find a way, this may be something to look for. If you're a retiree looking to retire soon, like baby boomers who are going to be retiring, this may be something to consider. All right, now, what is Profits Passport? Now, essentially what it is a done-for-you system that David Dekels created that generates $2,000 direct mail cash payments and up to $16,500 in passive affiliate commissions total. I know it's crazy, but essentially what it is basically a collection of multiple affiliate programs that he put together that all pay high-paying commissions, or some or smaller, into one automated system, okay, that requires no selling on your part, no product creation on your part, and no technical experience to put it together. In fact, we're going to do a demo. I'm going to show you exactly how you do it. And literally you can do it in minutes, okay? And the beauty about it is that he, like he says, he does all the work and you make all the commissions, okay? And the idea is that in his previous programs that he had, they were pretty simple to get started and set up, in my opinion, but still, I guess people still struggled with trying to get things set up. And so in this one, it's literally like one plug and done. It's literally so ridiculously simple. I'm going to share with you exactly how you do it, and there's no way that you could fail in it. No way, okay? Now, let me show you exactly. This is a little clip that he had in his webinar. I encourage you to check that out. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. If you decide that this is something you want to check out, learn more about, then I'll leave this. You can check that out. But it's very simple. You send traffic, and that's all you're really gonna do. And he'll show you how to do that. In fact, I got a little something to help you with that as well. And then it goes into the system, and that's the beauty about the system. It churns in and has follow-up emails that send automatically. It's got testimonials and stuff automatically. It's got webinar. People put in their links, and you make money. And you really don't have to do anything after that. That's what the beauty about a system. It's automated, it moves, it churns, it doesn't have to worry, you don't have to worry about it. Pricing initially is free, but remember, this is more like a licensing program. So you have to in order to make money, you have to purchase some of the relicense rights from these programs so that you can make money. That's kind of how it is. It's like mini franchises, if you will. Now, here are the 5 income streams that are involved: Easy One Up, pay per leads, ROI panel, Udemy traffic, and OPM wealth. As a matter of fact, let me show you how it looks like. All right, so when you first get started, here's the link to the page, his capture page, where he's talking about it. You'll put your email in here, your prospects will put their email in here. It'll take them to this bridge page here where we'll start to explain how this system works, all right, and then show you a whole bunch of testimonials of people that have been doing it, making money with it. And and I'm gonna talk to you, like, I know some of these people too, which is kind of crazy, and it's legit. They made money with his previous systems, all right. So once you get through that, it'll take you to the next page, which is the webinar. You'll watch the webinar. It's really, really good. It's valuable. And then boom, here's the link. Now this is my link. You'll get your own link, right? And this is the only link you'll need. That's the beauty about the system. You only need one link. You post it where you need to post it. You run traffic to that link, and that's it. And you get paid. All right. Now there are some cons, but I will share that with you at the end of this. Now, and then here are the income streams, and all you got to do is input each one. Now, what was the first one? It was easy one up, right? You'll click on this one. It'll take you to this page here. You'll log in with your login and account information. Take you to the back office. You can see, like I said, I made a couple $100, mind you, at a time when I really didn't know what I was doing last year. Didn't have much of an audience. Didn't have much of anything, but I made some money. So that's the cool thing about it. Even as a total beginner, you can make some money. And then you come back here and you get set up, okay? And he's going to show you how you get set up, what you need to do, all the information on that, right? And to get started. And then all you'll do is come back here once you get that, plug in that ID into here, save it, boom, you're good to go, all right? And so once again, he will show you that there are several different levels with easy one up that you want to consider, all right? And then different levels, and I'm going to show you some bonuses that you may be able to get depending on which level you come in, all right? So we'll talk about that, okay? And then the second income stream is the Funnel X Advanced. Now, Funnel X Advanced is basically like a lead generation program. Basically, if someone doesn't buy anything, but you generated a lead, you get $1. So it's pretty cool, right? So you'll click on that. It'll take you to this page. You'll fill in some information. Then it'll take you to Funnel X Advanced here, where you can get set up. As you can see, I made $1, right? Didn't know what I was doing, but it's not so hard. It was pretty simple with the system, right? And so I generated $1. You can make more, obviously. And then you take this link, come back to the page here, plug that in, save and update, you're good to go. What's next? The next one we said was ROI Panel. The ROI Panel is basically a link tracking software tool, right? So these are quality tools that you're gonna need, right? You need a link tracking tool. So you click on that. That's gonna take you to the next page here, right, where he's gonna talk to you about, about the use of the system. Go through that. Click on the bottom, get registered, and it'll take you back here. And as you can see, I got the same thing, and you can see here, if your affiliate ID is right there, that's what you're gonna take. And then if you want to know, hey, did I make any commissions? Yeah, what did I do? I actually made like $98 here. All right, so hey, once again, it does work even if you don't know what you are doing, okay? And so then you will just come back here, put in that link, that number that we saw there into here, save and update, you're good to go. What's next is Udemy traffic. Now, what's great about this is that this is where most people, like including yourself and myself, are gonna be getting your traffic from, right? Using solo ads, and that's what Udemy is. It's a solo ad vendor. You'll click on there. It'll take you inside. You'll log into your account, and then you'll come here and get set up at your account, and that's it. And then here's your link, right? So it's really, really simple. I mean, I'm just showing you what he's already going to show you. You take this link here. You're going to come back over here, put that in here, the last couple digits in there, save and update. You're good to go. Then the last one is something that's called OPM Wealth, okay? And essentially, OPM Wealth is kind of the way I can describe it, it's an online digital franchising system, right, where you sell high ticket franchises. And so once you click on that, that's going to take you into this here, where you'll learn a little bit more about what OPM Wealth is. Then it'll take you here, you'll learn a little bit more. And basically, where, like I said, it's a high ticket franchise where you pay up several thousands of dollars to be part of the program. But once you're in, they'll show you how to run traffic, and then they'll close the leads for you. The leads that come through, we're talking about tens of thousands of dollars they'll close for you. It's paid in 100% cryptocurrency, which if you're interested in that's pretty cool. And they'll show you how to get funding. Even if you don't know how to get part of the $10,000, $20,000 to get started, they show you how to get OPM, other people's money, and funding to do that. So if that's something you're interested in, you can get set up, and then take the link, put that in there, and then you save it, and you are good to go. And then he even gives you some traffic checklist, email ad copy, and different stuff when you are doing your ads, okay? So let's talk about some of the things I like. Number one, the system promotes multiple offers with a mix of low and high ticket offers. I always love that. You want a little mix of all of those things in there so you can maximize each lead that you get. There's no need to create products, okay? You're a beginner, you don't need that. Earn 100% commissions on the stuff that you're promoting, which is really awesome. The system converts on its own really, really well and automatically without you. And that's what David Dekels just been good at. It's just creating and testing systems that work. The setup is literally only a minute. I just showed you that in this video. It's literally pretty quick, okay? Not hard, very simple. Provides beginner entrepreneurs with critically needed cash flow. And then this is one of the things I really like about it, okay? We'll talk about some of the things that I don't like, but about systems. But the thing I can't say enough is that in the beginning, as a beginning entrepreneur, I'm sure you know, cash flow is the most important thing you need, right? You need cash flow to stay in the game with your business, because your business requires a lot of things, to software tools and advertisement. And if you're not making any cash, you start to go into the red, and it's hard to maintain your business when you're in the red. This allows you to generate some cash flow so that you can stay in the game long enough until your business starts to grow, right? And so another thing, David's actively in the trenches improving the system, which I've always liked. This helps beginners focus on learning simple methods of traffic, so you don't have to worry about all the other things and the funnel and all that. Just focus on traffic, focus on flowing traffic, and then making money. And then you don't really need a whole lot of money to invest, except for the traffic generation part of it, which brings me to some of the things I don't like. Number one, this is a done for you system, and at the end of the day, done for you systems do take away your ability to learn, right? That's kind of something that I just know, right? You're not going to learn as much if it's done for you. While I do respect the fact that you do need done for you systems sometimes to just kind of simplify the process so it's not so overwhelming, right? And so I like the idea of starting a system and then making money, but then don't get comfortable with the system. Eventually learn how to duplicate it yourself so you can not be dependent on it. You see what I'm saying? And then number two, it will require you money to get started, okay? So you're looking at about a couple $100s here, depending on which programs you get started with, and you need money to run the solo ads too. So just keep that in mind. Don't spend more than you have, okay? Don't spend more than you have. Get in when you can, and then let the system start to flow, get more cash flow, and then you can upgrade when you need to. Does that make sense? People who have earned big, he was going to show you a lot of testimonials. They've earned huge money. They had internet skills, okay, and experience. So keep that in mind. Remember, I didn't have that much experience, but I did make a couple $100s. But remember, that was because I followed David's system to the T, and that was how I was able to do it. And that was over the several months. I made $500. So not saying that you'll make that much, or you make more, or you may make less. Just keep that in mind, all right? And then, like I said, being too dependent on the system can be risky. But if you learn how to use the system and then take it outside, be independent, and that's good. And then at the end of the day too, you're not generating your own leads with this particular system. David Dekels is taking everything away from you so that you don't have to worry about it. So I kind of don't like that. Leads and generating an email list is like very important online, but that's just something to consider. But overall, I really like it. Now, one of the big things about it is that the traffic, right? If you're going to pay for traffic, but what about free traffic? Well, guess what? If in fact you decide that you do want to go with this program, I'm going to help you out, okay? Because one of the best ways, to be honest with you, the way that I made this income here is actually by using free traffic sources, YouTube, okay? And I'm going to share with you my best recommended course that I created to do exactly this. Is my YouTube Now 7-day challenge, okay? And essentially what it is like a 7-day challenge that I put together that I used to basically show you how you can get autopilot leads automatically targeted for any business that you're promoting using YouTube, even if you're a beginner, all right? It's 7 days, great information. I usually sell this thing for about $200-$300, okay? I'm gonna give it to you for free if you come in at the easy one-up $1,000 Vertex Pro program, okay? So it's got to be the $1,000 Vertex Pro. You got to send me an email, send me a picture that you did it when you sent the payment, right? Confirm it, and I will give you access to that program, all right? So that's what I'm going to do for you. David does have some other stuff that he's going to give to you. If you go on to 2,000, I decided not to do 2,000 because I don't want to take too much money away from you like that. So you can have some money to do advertising and things like that. You run your solo ads. So $1,000, I think, is the program is where we're going to be at, all right? So at the end of the day, I give this a 4-star rating. Why? Because it's an automated, high converting system that promotes and sells for you low and high ticket commissions, even if you are a beginner, okay? To what? Put cash flow in your pocket. But it does require some commitment, okay? And a budget. So you can stay along with that budget, stay committed to it over the long haul and keep working it, but it is highly worth considering, all right? So hope this was helpful for you. Hopefully kind of gave you some information, help you decide whether or not this is something you want to get involved with. Hey, I've been part of David Dekels' program before, had some reasonable success with it. And so, hey, once again, if you found value in this and and this is something that you think is gonna help you make money, hey, definitely give the video a like, all right? Consider subscribing to the channel. Check out some of these other videos on this channel here. And then, hey, if you want to get more, learn more about the program, get started, check out the link I got in the description below. And once again, I got the bonuses that I'm giving to you for if you meet the qualifications, all right? So I want to help you guys out. So I hope you got value. Hope this was helpful. If you did, definitely share the video as well, all right? Until the next exciting episode, my friend, you be blessed, stay hungry. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.